Yeah, amazing work they're doing over there. And for a lot of folks who are gathering around the dinner table today, it was a little bit tricky for some folks.
It was, and especially this morning, I saw some of those handlers with the balloons, the
Yeah.
floats, out there with the cow, for example, swaying around. Well, it was windy earlier. It's still windy. Thankfully, those winds are coming down. Priya, we are going to declare a forewarned weather alert because we have accumulating snow and even some wintry mix in our forecast for this weekend. Again, that is for Saturday and Sunday. Between now and then, the snow that we see, very minor. Parts of the thumb getting some of that snow today. But the rest of us here in Southeast Michigan, we're in the clear until we get into our Saturday afternoon and evening. Already seeing alerts posted for West Michigan for the storm that is coming. Right now, they're getting some lake effect snow, but again, winter storm watch in effect for West Michigan for Saturday and Sunday. The UP and Northern Michigan, they're getting lake effect snow right now, and they will get more snow potentially as we get into the weekend. A ZACTRAC 4D radar showing that we had these scattered snow showers that are making their way over from Lake Michigan. Right now, a couple of showers popping up as we go into places such as Clawson, also seeing some of these showers popping up over toward Manchester. They're going to be light, very light, not much of an issue, but you know, it's a reminder that we're getting closer and closer to getting accumulating snowfall. So this is what's happening over the lakes. All of this lake effect snow we've been getting over the past few days. They've been getting a lot of snowfall in Northern Michigan and the UP, talking about up to a foot or even 2 feet of snow out of all of this lake effect. The rest of the country looking okay right now. Let's go ahead and jump into the clouds and radar forecast so we can see what happens with the lake effect as well as the approach of that system, which will bring the accumulating snowfall. So this is all the lake effect snow right now. We're going to be seeing that as we go into tomorrow morning. Maybe you're watching us from West Michigan on your phone right now. Things will not really clear up, more lake effect snow. And then the system arrives Saturday afternoon. You see all this blue right here. The exact track of this system is still something that will potentially need to be adjusted. But as of right now, we see this coming in our direction, potentially arriving in the afternoon hours. So right around 3, 4 o'clock, we can start to see some of the snow arriving in our western suburbs and western communities. We go into the nighttime hours into Sunday. It is snowing heavily at this time. We will still see snow coming down on Sunday morning, but there's the potential of some warm air flowing into Southeast Michigan, especially Metro Detroit and southward. This could cause some transition with a rain-snow mix or other types of precipitation, something we'll be monitoring as we go into our Saturday and Sunday. We will have a clearer picture on the types of precipitation and for how long and the transition times as we get closer. Here's a look as we go into our Monday, things clearing out, but we will get potentially a decent amount of snow. Here's what we're looking at as of right now, and this will need some refining as we go into tomorrow. This is the potential for about 2 to even 5 inches of snow here in Southeast Michigan. One of the factors, it's going to be how much of a mixture we get here in Metro Detroit. But again, it's going to be enough potentially for shoveling. Right now, 30 degrees at Metro Airport. The wind chill 18 because of these gusty conditions. All across Southeast Michigan, temperatures are right around 30 degrees, coming in at 29 in Ann Arbor. We're at 32 in Mount Clemens. Now, as we look at the wind chill, you'll notice that it feels like it's in the teens here in Metro Detroit. And it has been that way throughout the day, teens and 20s for the wind chill. So tonight, it's going to feel like the teens still. We go into tomorrow morning, maybe you're standing outside waiting for those doors to open up. It will feel like the single digits in some communities. Very cold, make sure you're bundling up. Going into the evening hours, still cold, feeling like 10 degrees in some places. And then as we go into Saturday, the temps start to moderate, but that's when we get the snowfall. Right now, it is windy, sustained winds near 20 miles per hour. Those gusts near 30 at this time. We will see that coming down tonight just slightly. It's going to be windy, though, still here in Metro Detroit. Going into tomorrow morning, those gusts right around 20 miles per hour. Now, if you are thinking about plans already for your Saturday, think about making sure that you're bundled up as well as you're heading to U of M, to the big house. Tonight, those lows in the 20s as we go into tomorrow. Tomorrow is going to see those highs around 33. And again, very cold. That 7-day forecast right there showing that we have those temps staying on the colder side, even lows in the teens as we go into next week.